and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, or you can just click this little thing right here and, you know, stay up to date with my new posts. And I know I've been taking years to come back on YouTube and post videos, but you know, with everything that's going on, I've been working a lot. I'm online taking classes, and it's just been, yeah, it's been crazy. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, whatever, you could just comment down below. And yeah. So pretty much right now I'm just adding some shadow to my lid. I'm going for a pretty natural look, so I'm adding like a brown shade, and you can even add a little bit of orange if you want to really get that natural, you know, eyelid effect. So right now I just have the setting powder sitting under my eyes because when I'm done I like to just, you know, I don't know, but I have this new thing where I just let the setting powder sit under for a little bit because I feel like it just gives your eye this, like, you know, bam effect, you feel me? So I'm just gonna let it sit a little bit, you know, and then I'm wipe it off. You could also set your contour if you want it to be a little deeper than it is, or you can go back in with you know, some of your eyeshadow or whatever you use to contour with. I use my eyeshadow palette to contour because I don't really like liquid contours because I feel like it just doesn't look right, like, for some reason. So I'm gonna go back in with the translucent setting powder on my contour just to give it a, you know, a more dramatic look. So you don't have to let your setting powder sit so long. It's really up to you. So under your eye, you're just gonna like brush it away like that. I know that some people like to leave a little bit of